I would like to show you a new feature in Teammate R10 EWP Dashboards, designed to give you more information about your projects and work assignments without the necessity of having to open projects and view the details. This feature is available to clients who have their EWP projects in a centralized database. What we are seeing at the moment is the classic EWP Explorer. To turn on this centralized dashboard feature, go to Preferences, Explorer tab, and select the Use Dashboard for Centralized Database. Open EWP Explorer and log in as normal, and we can now see the new dashboard. The new dashboard is split into two areas: the project listing at the top and the dashboard pane at the bottom. The dashboard at the bottom has three panes: My Assignments, Project Snapshot, and Project Milestones. The same basic project information which we had in the Classic Explorer, we have here in the new dashboard: title, project code, start date, time progress, procedure progress, and status. We also here have the flag to indicate if the project has been finalized. In addition to this, we can click on the plus sign to display additional information, such as the manager and lead on the project, the entities being audited and their parent entities in the organizational hierarchy, and the date the project was last modified. The time progress bar allows us to compare estimated or scheduled project hours with actual project hours as a percentage. To view the detailed numbers which are being used in these calculations, simply hold the mouse over the bar. The budgeted hours for the project will be taken from Team Risk or Team Schedule if these modules are used. The actual hours for the project will be taken from timesheets submitted in Teammate Tech if this module is used. If these modules are not being used, the hours which are added directly in the project profile under the Schedule tab will be used in the calculations. The Procedure Progress bar gives an indicator of the number of procedures that have been added to the project and how much work has been carried out so far. The colors used in the Procedure Progress bar are the same colors used to denote the workflow states in EWP: white, not started; yellow, in progress; green, prepared; blue, reviewed; and red is edited since review. The solid black line gives us a relative comparison of the total number of procedures between different projects. The longer the line, the more procedures. To view the detailed numbers which are being used in these calculations, simply hold the mouse over the bar. The Recommendation Priority bar gives us an indication of the total number of recommendations which have been made in the project and what priority rating has been assigned to each recommendation. Recommendation priority is a user configurable field. In the sample database, we have defined this as rating high, medium, and low, with the colors red, yellow, and green. Your organization may have different ratings and colors. These options can be changed in Team Admin. The solid black line gives us a relative comparison of the total number of recommendations between different projects. The longer the line, the more recommendations. To view the detailed numbers which are being used in these calculations, simply hold the mouse over the bar. Each user can change the information displayed in the dashboard project listing by clicking on the wrench icon. Simply check and uncheck to show and hide information in the dashboard. For example, uncheck the recommendation priority. The Assignments pane shows all procedures, coaching notes, or work papers which have been assigned to you across projects you are assigned to. This is a useful tool for preparers to see what work remains and whether or not any coaching notes have been addressed to them by reviewers. The Aging column indicates the number of days since the schedule was created, and the Workflow indicator indicates whether or not work has been started. When a schedule has been signed off as prepared, the green Sign Off button, it will disappear from this list. To open a schedule which has been assigned to you, simply double-click, and Teammate will open the project and schedule ready for you to start work. The Project Snapshot pane gives you a high-level graphical overview of the progress made in each project. This is project-specific. Select a project in the list to see the snapshot overview for that project. The project snapshot shows each type of schedule and indicates the workflow status. The key on the right shows what each color block means. To view the schedules themselves, double-click on the snapshot and it will open the project and automatically apply a filter so that you can see the details. This is a useful tool for reviewers to easily find schedules which have been signed off as prepared and are ready to be reviewed. The Project Milestones pane displays milestones and dates for the selected project. Like the snapshot pane, this is a project specific, so to view milestones for a project, simply select the project in the listing above. The pane displays all milestones which have been set up in the project profile, as well as any estimated, revised, or actual dates that have been entered. Where a milestone has been reached, the aging is based on the actual date compared to the estimated or revised date. Where a milestone has not been reached, the aging is based on the current date compared to the estimated or revised date. This has been an overview of the new EWP dashboard. More information about the dashboards can be found in EWP User Guide. Thank you for your time.